Yo guys, what's up? BillabOb1060 here. I'm back. Yeah, you guys obviously wanted a new tutorial. I'm sorry I didn't get to do any others. I have been making software. So, yeah. I've also been very busy with some other tasks and stuff. Um, we got a JTAG hooked up so we can see what we can do with that. Just need a little bit of practice. But yeah, you guys obviously like the tutorials. It'd be nice if we could get some more likes and maybe a bit more subs. The subs are going up real quick, just like everybody's enjoying their day, which is amazing. And yeah, so this is what I'm going to do. For you guys, I'm going to show you how to make an in-game GUI. I'm sorry for the people who have asked for stuff like more ESPs in Chess ESP. Put them in this comments, and I will make sure I do them. I'm also gonna in the next video hopefully do a player kill aura and a mob aura. But let's get on with this then. So just go ahead and open up your project. I also forgot to note to you guys that you may have Eclipse Mars, which is the latest update. As you do know how the alphabet goes, A B C D Luna is just before M, so you guys have probably got Mars if you've just downloaded Eclipse. Mars is the latest update for Eclipse. Before Luna, you'll have Kepler, Kelper, whatever it is, I can't remember. And then before that, you have Indigo and stuff like that. I wasn't there before Indigo, but I've started hack clients from a very, very young age and stuff, so I basically chose my career for it. So, here we are. We have got a client. So, I'm sorry if I sound like I'm not doing as well in this tutorial, but we'll still get it done. It's because I'm very, very busy. I've got a lot of stuff to do. I'm going to just do this video for you guys. And then if you like it, I'll try and do another one this week. So, go ahead and click on your package, but just .client, so your name.client. And then you're going to make a new package. And it's going to be client.gui. Okay. And it should be y like that. You're gonna make a new class. You're gonna call it. GUI. No, you're gonna call it your client. So what this client is YouTube. Or just put in-game like that. In-game GUI. Just don't do GUI in-game because you'll get a lot. You'll understand right in a sec. So in-game GUI. Now, once this is loaded, it's just going to look like a normal class. So what you need to do is go up here and do extends, and it is an GUI screen like that. Now what you need to note is that I am also working on another client which you guys have known for a while, which I said I discontinued, but I need to bring that back to the stage just once more for you. So that's, yeah, it's kind of confusing because every time I make a hack client, my code gets most hard to understand for people because I'm getting a lot better at the language. So if you guys are like, what the hell, what are all these classes and stuff, and you're back from the day where you just had one class and that was like booleans, hard-coded clients and stuff like that, so never mind. But here, what you need to do is do a public void render screen like that, and do MC and do this dot. Oops, sorry. No, go away. Don't need to update my this dot MC equals Minecraft dot get Minecraft. For some reason that MC is null. Oh yeah, copy that out and go up here and do in-game GUI. Right, just make the constructor practically, and inside there, just put that in, and inside here, render screen. This is where our mods are gonna load. So I'm just gonna show you how to make a default keybind kind of GUI. So that's that bit done. Now I need to go into your client. There you go. Inside client, and you're gonna need to make a private static in-game GUI, and do that. Remember, if you see me doing shortcuts like I just did then, it's Control Space. Mac and Windows do that. So yeah. Now you need to come down just under this, under all the mods, and do this dot in-game GUI. Oh, sorry, in-game GUI equals new in-game GUI. The reason you can't do this is because it's static, which means it can be accessed from every class. Forget about that area. I'll probably only get that. Go make your get method, which is, I'm just going to put it under modules, so it's get, like that. You got it there. It's initializing it and then doing that. Make sure you got them in, or it's not going to work. Next, you need to go and close these, except from this one, and open net.minecraft.client.gui. Go to GUI in-game. See, this is why you can't rename it that, really. Well, you could, but it would just be confusing. So, in here, GUI in-game, and you're going to search... Oh, damn. Where did I put it? Last time. Yeah, that's awkward. Oh, yeah, just under here. So, in here, you're going to do client... get GUI in-game dot render screen. That's it. So your client will get the that's just client. How did I do? I think that's how I am. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, whoops, close that. I'm a bit tired. Don't know why. Open it up and go into render screen, and we're gonna start making a renderer. So we're gonna make some text. So do a string, the client underscore name is going to equal to your client name, so I'm going to put YouTube client. Now, in Minecraft, you may know what the AND codes are, so and seen all that. It's exactly the same, but instead of an AND, you're going to use a / 2470. That means AND, practically, but it's not really AND, it's this symbol here, but in character code. So, in YouTube, it is red, isn't it? Yeah, this is probably wrong. Can't remember. Oh, I'll be able to fix that in a second. So it's just gonna make it like my YouTube thing, and do draw string, and mc dot font render object dot draw string. By doing this, you're not having a shadow behind it. If you want a shadow behind it, stick to draw string like this, and then mc.fontrenderer. So I'm just going to tab this out and just say this is going to be shadow equals that, and then text. So your text is client name. Now from the top left corner, going on the x-axis, we want it in about 4, and 4 for the y as well. The color, I'm using Minecraft color code, so I'm just going to set this to basically nothing color wise for starters, and that's just going to put that in there. Next step is to do for module. So we're going to loop for your modules from client.getModules. Now what this is going to do, it's going to make a list on the left side of all the modules toggled with a random colour. The person who brought this to the game was it was one of the first Minecraft hack clients, and it just started to make stuff a lot better. And so like that, I'm just going to turn brightness up. Probably don't see that, but okay. Yeah, you need to do int count. Just going to create a count. Can't be bothered to do it another way. We're just going to do it like this for now. It's more efficient. Just do equals 0. Okay. So every time we add a module, we're going to count up 0, and we're going to copy this line of code, and we're going to start rendering it at 10. So 10 down, 4 in, plus 10 or 12, maybe just put 10 for now, times count. And this is plus, and this instead of draw singular, do module.getName. Random equals new random. So we're just going to make color random int color equals 20. Oh, sorry, string. Oh, this is so annoying. String equals /24 plus Newton plus random dot next int. I think there's another way of doing it, but for now I'm just doing it like this. Yeah, there's definitely another way of doing it, but this is without all the A colours and stuff like that. If you want to get rid of 0, then you do 9 plus 1, which is what we'll do. So we do 9. Just do 0, 1 plus. Okay, there you go. Now you can start it up. That's it. Yeah, forget, you won't get this. That's just me using GitHub. Yes, like I said, I was doing some software. If you want tutorials on how to make software, like the Mac software I'm making here, there's going to be some download links going out soon and stuff like that. But that's it for me. It looks like we'll get up to it. Yeah, another thing you need to do up here, if module.is toggles. Continue. Oh no. Just go over. Continue. And put if it isn't. So add that exclamation mark. Yeah, somebody asked about the source when I'm going to release that. That will be in the description of one of the latest video, like later on, so that people have actually decided to watch the video and not I just get the code. And it's always better to learn it before you kind of get started. We just need a lot more clients out there. So here we are, we're in the game. What I have just remembered is that the code that we've made is going to be a bit buggy. The color codes aren't going to work, and it's going to probably render over the title. So what you need to do, if you just test it, if I just turn on full bright, yeah, it's rendering over the title. So if I go into the code, no, that's 10. You're going to change that to around 20. Put 20 plus 10. And before module.getName, you're going to do color plus, like that. Save that. Yeah. I forgot about that. After that too much. Go in here and instead of get rid of your random, you can't do that. Change the random to count. This is gonna lag because once you get, it's gonna start at 0 and just make its way up. Why now? Yeah, that's not gonna work either, guys. I can't remember how I did it before. Yeah, just forget about the colours. It would have been nice, but I'm just gonna a bit tired to do that. So yeah, it does render though. I mean, you don't need care. What you can do is go ahead and tab that in a bit. Oops, no, what am I doing? Let's go like that. And what that does is just shows you its mods are made and stuff like that. Damn. To make it more transparent, the first two F's are the transparency, so 70 is about right, and then 70 or 60 for that text. Now that. Yeah, there's a bug if it's in big caps, so just keep that as FF. What you could do is just get rid of that and that, but that would just be boring. Another thing, to draw a box around it, just do draw rect 2 230 22 OX 60 because I used to be like the master of all the in-game rendering stuff. As you saw, Reflex had loads of different GUIs and stuff like that. It was just beautiful. 18. What would that be? 16. No, 14 for sure. 14. Nah, 110. That'll do. 24, 74, 24, 70 now. 24, 70 now. 24, 73. Change the change that to 50. Can't remember which way around the YouTube goes. 110, which would be 120. Yeah, that's going to be what mine looks like. I'm going to just change this to the leap crap now. I'm going to feed the E, is it? Yeah, E. Oh, that's quite nice. Yeah, so that's it from this tutorial. The next tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the menu a lot more smoother and some keybind stuff. Yeah. You should probably understand what all these numbers and everything is in here, and you'll be able to maybe play around with that's how to draw a box. I think I might put a formatting file in the description of how what this really means, what the arguments are and stuff. So thanks for watching. Stay Brucey. Make sure to enjoy our new, and I'll see you guys in the next video.